I saw Leica, big red box in the London Camera Exchange. I thought, yeah, I think I'll shoot that. And then find out it's rebranded like ADOX, black and white film.
There's no way they'd be able to produce their own film, really. I'm more surprised they didn't like commission a film company to make their own film stock. Do you know what I mean? Like make their own proprietary stock. And I don't know if they're trying to claim that that's what this is or not. But side-by-side tests with the ADOX 50 have shown that they're very, very similar. So I don't know. I don't think there is any difference.